Now, this session was being given in Dubai, and Dubai is all about luxury. Let me share with you something that's even more luxurious, and that is the luxury of having your parents in your life. And even if you don't, I'm sure you have someone, an elder figure, father figure, a mother figure, who you can look up to. Now, as much as I respect my parents, they might not be as up to speed with technology. And before I think I am up to speed with technology, I know that maybe my 12-year-old cousin will show me something that I will never understand. So we have our own generations that we live in. So when you're making your videos, you want to make sure that it makes sense to someone who doesn't know you, or maybe even outside of your generation. And that is the luxury that you have. If you have an elder figure, if you have parents with you that you can show your stuff to, or even your children that you can show your stuff to. So span across generations. Let me show you another example. So here are two thumbnails that I created. They are from my channel, and they cover the exact same topic, and they were released a month apart. Everything is not exactly, but similarly same. They are about ChatGPT. They're about ChatGPT editing photos when it was new. So those were the days I'm feeling a bit old. Now you tell me, if you were to show this thumbnail A and B, which one would make sense to an absolute beginner who doesn't know much about ChatGPT, looking at photo editing for the first time, and looking at these two thumbnails for the first time? The answer is easy, right? It says right there in the thumbnail that thumbnail A is a disaster. And you can clearly see that this one is very easy to understand. I'm instructing ChatGPT to fix the skin, and I have blurred this to create suspense. So, how was the performance? Now, you might not see a staggering difference, but keeping in mind that it's the same channel, same video, similar video, released within 1 month, there is still a huge difference in the number of views. This one was still growing, while this one got stuck at 50K. This just goes on to show that whenever you create your thumbnail, you go to your parents, go to someone of a different generation and ask them, does it make sense to you? You often might have seen that sometimes we see a funny reel or a meme and we take it to our parents and we think it's so funny. And when they look at the reel, they go, what is this? Do you know this person? What is happening here? So it's that kind of a deal. Just show it to your parents. If they are the ones who understand it, then you're good to go. And for this one, they clearly did. They were getting into ChatGPT. They were thinking about typing something and making it happen, and they did. So that's how it goes.